All right, so here's a little troubleshooting thing for you. I have this is a 200i that I'm updating software on. Got it plugged up. As you can see, it's charging. And got my Garmin Express turned on. Now, we're gonna go over here to add a device. It's gonna look for it. And generally when you plug a device in with a computer, what should happen is that a window should open because now you've plugged in an external device to your computer. So it kind of treats it like it's a separate hard drive or just a separate device, and generally you'll get a window that'll open up. And at the same time, if your Garmin Express is turned on, it should say to you, we found the device, would you like us to add it? But sometimes you'll get what's going on here, where it's looking and it can't seem to find it. So let's give it a second here. So it looked for a good bit and then it popped up with this, basically going, what are you trying to add? All right, anytime this happens, you've got an issue. So the problem here is that there's a difference between data cords and power cords. This is just a power cord. So all it's doing is putting power to the unit, but it's not a data cord. So you need a data cord. You see this one right here? So it's got the little data symbol on it right there. So let's plug that up real quick and we'll show you the difference. Now I've got my data cord plugged up. Watch what happens now. The unit powers on, and then it kicks into this. So that's the first thing that you should see, is that it should be backing itself up real quick before it goes into the mode to be able to format. All right, once that's done, we go back over here and let's see if we can search again real quick. All right, you see how the screen popped up? All right, that is my computer recognizing it as an external drive. And then immediately it found it and we're gonna add the device. If you're having trouble with Garmin Express, the first thing that you want to check is making sure that the cord that you're using is actually the correct kind of cord.